name is Stacy Brooke, and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors, and I'm going to talk to you about the Coalition Applications prompt number 5. Prompt number 5 reads, submit an essay on the topic of your choice. For many students, this catch-all prompt is a gift. Obviously, any essay you write will meet the qualifications for this prompt, so if you've already worked on an essay for the Common Application, let's say, that essay is going to naturally back into this question. That said, if you're approaching the personal statement for the first time, this topic of your choice prompt might not be the best place to start. Having a wide open runway for topic selection can be debilitating for some. If you're one of the people, and I am one of these people, whose creativity flourishes under more specific parameters, by all means use prompts number 1 through 4 to guide your initial brainstorming. No matter what, the thing that matters the most is not the prompt you're trying to respond to, but the story you're trying to communicate to admissions and what you're trying to say about yourself that isn't represented anywhere else on the application. This essay is where an admissions officer gets an opportunity to see what it would be like to have a conversation with you and get a sense of who you really are as a human. Take that opportunity and make the most of it. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing new videos regularly, and we also have a ton of advice up on our channel already, so check us out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.